Hello, how's it going? Today we're going to be checking out the Sephora Mattify and Refine Primer. Let's go ahead and read about what it is all about, and then I'm gonna put it on my face. I've been testing this out for a couple of weeks. I'll share that after we get into the description and the application. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Let's just look on Sephora.com and see what this product is all about. Okay, so this is only $15. I think that's why I was attracted to it. Plus like the green packaging, like this is really cool, right? I was really drawn to this. So this is $15 for this and you get 1 fluid ounce. Let's read the claims. Highlights, best for oily combo normal skin, vegan, matte finish, fragrance free. Fragrance free. That's hard to say, I don't know why. And yes, I look like a greasy piece of chicken right now because I really want to show you what this does. I just got out of the shower and moisturized, and that's all I did. So it says what it is: a lightweight gel cream primer that mattifies your skin, extends makeup wear, and controls shine for up to 10 hours. That's literally all it says. Concerns oil and pores. Highlighted ingredients: witch hazel extract refines the look of pores. White tea extract helps protect skin from environmental factors. My dog just came downstairs, so if you hear him clicking around, that's him, and then he's 100% gonna jump up on this couch right here. So that's gonna be distracting, but we're gonna keep going. What else you need to know? This mattifying gel cream primer dries to a breathable, powder-like natural matte finish that is transparent on skin. It extends your makeup application and controls shine on combination to oily and even sensitive skin types. Plus it's non-comedogenic. I don't know what that means. I think it's like for acne-prone skin. I think that's what it means. Let's see what it says how to use. Apply a small amount to fingertips. Here comes the dog. Let's let him get settled for a second. He's gonna get it on the covers. He's a dachshund, so he likes to burrow. It's gonna take forever. You know, yelp. Sorry. Okay, so he's under the blanket back there, so if he's moving around, don't freak out. Yeah, his little nose is sticking out right there. Right there. Okay, how to use. Suggested usage: apply a small amount to fingertips or brush and smooth a thin layer over clean, moisturized skin before applying makeup. Anyway, I really like the green packaging. This is what it looks like. This is pretty cool. And so if you open it up, the tip is a lot bigger than I thought. And I'll go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a white, it's a gel, so it's pretty clear, so you're not gonna get that white cast. It's pretty thick. Let me go ahead and smooth this out on the back of my hand. So see, it's absolutely clear. So I like that. Give it A+ for that. Doesn't really smell like anything. So you probably can't tell a difference. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and apply to the face, and then we'll talk about my thoughts on it. So we're just gonna do a little dabble do ya, like that. Rub it in our fingers and then apply to the skin. So it's supposed to snow. I live in Denver, and it's supposed to snow like 6 inches tonight, which is good. We need the moisture, but I freaking hate the snow. I hate driving in it. It gets like wet. It's pretty when it's like snowing, but I don't like the after it gets all dirty when people drive in it. It's all icy, and I've been in several accidents in the winter. Like those are basically the only times that I've been in accidents. So I just hate winter. It's not that I don't hate winter, I just hate the snow. I don't know. Everybody says that I live in the wrong state because I don't hike or camp or fish or anything like that, all the Colorado stuff. And I'm like, yeah, maybe I do, but here's where we're at. Okay, we have it all applied to the skin. We're just gonna let that soak in for just a second. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, yeah, you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about here. So here's the final look. I'm sorry I have pimples. My skin is struggling right now. It's just struggling. It's just what it is. But this is it. This is the product on. So it just, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it just doesn't do much, and it just only gets worse from here. So it looks kind of maybe a little bit okay right now, but it just does not mattify at all. I feel like it doesn't blur your pores at all. I tried it under the Fenty Ease Drops, the skin tint that I've been using, I just looked like an oily, greasy, hot mess. I feel like when I was trying to powder throughout the day, when I was sweaty, or oily rather, it just, the powders didn't layer very well on top of this. So I'm gonna give this a no. This is not approved by me. I had high hopes for it. It's affordable, it's $15. You get a lot of product in here. The packaging is really cool. I like that it's clear, that you're not gonna get that white cast, but it just really didn't do anything at all for me. So that was kind of disappointing. So anyway, that is my review on the Sephora Mattify and Refine Primer. I wouldn't waste your money on it, but you do you. If you liked this review, hit that subscribe button to check out all the rest of my reviews. I have a lot of stuff coming, per usual. I'm trying to upload 2 times a week right now. We'll see how long I can keep that up. But anyway, yeah, so hit that subscribe button. And then if you need real estate help in Colorado, I am your man. I'm a full-time real estate agent. All of my contact information is down below, and I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for joining me on this review, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.